Okay, hello, my name's Sean Rawson. I'm actually chairing the University Business Sustainability Club right now. But I'm really here because I want to talk to you about the EcoCAR, the next challenge. EcoCAR is a very high-profile engineering competition across North America, and it involves 17 universities which have been vigorously selected out of 400 that have been approached, and UVic was fortunate enough to be one of the selected candidates. 17 universities consist of 3 Canadian universities, UVic, Waterloo, and the University of Institute of Technology, and then 14 other American universities, which I won't bother going into. So we're very fortunate to finally fairly represent the EcoCAR. What it constitutes is GM is our headline sponsor, and what they do is they provide the engineering students of UVic a Saturn View, which they are handed in the second year, and they are rebuild it and put new hybrid technology into the car. It's a 3-year competition. The first year is design schematics to make sure the car works, and specifications for when they receive the car, that you can just kind of dump all the components in and then just do a little tweaking as necessary. So the second year will be all the installation, and the third year will be fine-tuning it. It's a 3-year program. The reason being is that GM gives the engineering students of UVic, well, all the schools, a very strict guideline that they would put on their own engineers. It takes 3 years to design and create a car, and what they want to do is to allow students a real-life situation and experience to understand what it would be like to work for GM if they wanted to become an automotive engineer. So they have to make sure the car's up to performance level. It actually it's up to consumer appeal, has the towing capacity, it's not too heavy, it's got good fuel economy, greenhouse gas emissions, which is the most important. That's why it's the EcoCAR, trying to use hybrid technology. And pretty much they want it to be production ready. So what UVic is doing specifically is that they are designing a plug-in hybrid, because we figured our ideology behind this is that UVic wants to use BC Hydro, which is a sustainable energy source, and since most Victorians commute under probably 40 miles, that a plug-in would work just fine. Depending on where you plug it in, if you plug it into your regular outlet in your house, your 110 volts, that would be in about 8 hours. However, if you have a stove outlet, or maybe like your laundromat, laundry machines, that's about 220 volts, that provides recharging in about 2 hours. So GM and some other research companies did some extensive research and found that 70% of most drivers drive under 40 miles. So again, since this Victoria community, we wanted to see if that was acceptable, and Victoria is a very small community. Unless you're going up island, everyone probably drives with under 40 miles, which is 65 kilometers converted